I'm Ali Valier and I'm studying commercial music level 6 in drums.
I'm Harry Harrison and I'm on the creative performance course. I'm a drummer.
It's, I think, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. There's so much to be learning about the instrument, more than you'll ever realise. Every day there's something new to learn, and through this course you get to learn that, you get to understand that. There's so much room just to be yourself and, you know, to get somewhere, to get up on a stage, to get behind a drum kit. Because all us drummers want to do is just make noise, and there's plenty of room for that. There's plenty of room.
All the drummers are nice. Everyone's got the same idea really and the same passion, so everyone gets along. I've never done it before, it's really new to me. Playing with other drummers is something I've never done.
So I have an electric drum kit at home, and I used to hate electric drum kits. It's just that it's the only thing that works for me in like shared accommodation at the moment. So coming into a place where there is a drum kit and there's, you know, it's good quality and the cymbals are amazing. And there's also, you know, when we're at Prince Albert, there's a sound tech who knows what he's doing. It makes it feel so much better. You just get to actually get behind a kit and feel the real feeling, and, you know, looking out off a stage and just seeing everybody. Like, I think that's one of the best parts as well.
They've obviously got the venue, so I can book that, get a gig. So it's a bit of pressure being up on stage, so the more you do it, the easier it becomes. And then it's like great sound system, it's proper equipment.
The tutors in general of the whole course are amazing. You can build like a really strong relationship with them, and whilst it's professional you still have that more personal level as well, so they really understand you.
I want to make the most of it really. I feel like everyone actually cares about you on the course. All the teachers seem to be interested in what you're doing.
I've come here to study my final year of uni, so, you know, I've really come into a place and I'm like, the tutors care. They know what they're talking about, they know what they're doing, they know where to take us. But it's being able to work with people who actually have a career in the industry as well as teach, and they share their knowledge, they share their experience. They're so open to giving you opportunities for the future, and I think that's what's great, is they take you on a journey with them rather than just teaching you and letting you do your own thing. It's so accepting and welcoming, and although I was new, I felt like I'd known everybody for like years. Everyone is trying to help each other, and there's so much opportunity for gigging and, I mean, partying. That's kind of what uni is about partly as well.
There's a huge mix. Like, some people play blues, the other people play jazz. There's so many different genres that people play. Coming
to WaterBear, there literally is like one of everything, from heavy metal to singer-songwriting to country to your drum and bass kind of things. It's the best environment to get mixed in with music.
It's been a really good experience. I've really enjoyed it.
I think the best thing I've ever done in my life is come to WaterBear. So, yeah.